NBA moment. Number 10, November 13, 2004. AI comes up big in overtime.
Allen for the win! Yes!
Number 9, February 12, 2005. The Magic had no answer for number 3.
Iverson, yes! A career high 60 for Allen Iverson.
Number 8, April 19, 1998. The 6-foot guard puts the 6'11" Marcus Camby on a poster.
Oh, no! Are you kidding me?
At least once a game, this guy will do something that makes you just fall out of your seat.
Number 7, April 1997. Iverson dropped 40 in a rookie record 5 straight games.
There it is. It was a heck of a run.
Number 6, AI shines brightest among the stars to win MVP awards in both the 2001 and 2005 All-Star games. Number 5, November 26, 2004. The Answer steals the game in overtime against the Wizards.
The steal by Iverson, posting in! He won it! He won the game! He won the game!
Number 4, 2001 NBA Finals. Iverson steps over Tyronn Lue and the Lakers en route to a Sixers Game 1 victory.
How about that? Step over Tyronn Lue. 7 straight points by Iverson. Looked like he was dead in the water.
Number 3, in the 2001 Eastern Conference Semis, Toronto has no answer for AI as he goes for 50-plus points twice in a 7-game win over Vince Carter and the Raptors.
Carter at the buzzer. Elbow. And the Sixers hold on. And advance to the conference finals.
Number 2, March 12, 1997, a rookie named Allen Iverson makes